Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making delicious crispy chicken burger. Look at this. Oh, swallow your spit. Oh yeah, come and learn. So the first thing we are going to be needing is chicken breast, chicken boobs. So guys, this chicken breast is very big, so what I'm going to do is to divide them into 2 and 3, and I am cutting them open. I am not dividing them into 2. You can see the way I am doing it. I'm just slicing them to get them wide enough. Secondly, you want to add this into a nylon, a Ziploc bag or whatever to cover it, and then heat it severally. Guys, the reason why I'm adding it into the nylon is because I do not want it to spread on the wall. You can as well use your hammer, use anything to heat it. So guys, after heating it, the next thing is to put spices on it. So I use paprika, all tomato, all seasoning. Use the seasoning that you use in your house, and if you like, you can also buy tomato seasoning. That was the first thing I used, and I used a lot of paprika. Set that aside. The next thing is to use white flour, add it inside a bowl, and put the chicken inside, the chicken breast inside just the way it is. Rub it over to cover each and every one of the chicken. Make sure it is covered properly. The next thing is to get a bowl, break some eggs inside. This one I broke 7 eggs for 1 kilo, but it was a lot, so I would advise that you break like 5 if you are doing a kilo of chicken breast. And then I added paprika, all seasoning. I added my seasoning, and I added black pepper. You can add any pepper of your choice, whatever it is that you like. So you set that aside. Then this is the thing that will make it to be crispy. The first thing I added is paneer meal, is bread crunches or bread pieces. Then I added cornflakes, and then I just break it into pieces. Not that it will be as smooth as the paneer meal or the bread crunches. Add your deep fry pan on the fire and add your oil. Then dip the chicken breast inside the mixed egg, the egg that you have mixed, and then dip it finally inside the paneer meal and the crunchy bread and the cornflakes. Then after doing this, you set it aside and you check and make sure that your oil is hot. Guys, not too hot, not too hot. Just reduce the heat. Look at the way it is boiling. Reduce the heat so that it will cook slowly. If you don't reduce the heat, it will burn. So guys, what I am practically doing here is to reduce it because I did 1 kilo and we cannot finish it. Yes, after you have done this, you can store it into your fridge for at least for 2-3 days. It is also able to hold. So I covered it and I added this inside the fridge to use in the next 2 days. So you keep turning this chicken breast inside the oil to make sure that it doesn't get burnt, and so that you are able to get that crispy chakro sound. So the next thing is to just prepare the vegetables that will come on the bread that you're going to be using for the burger. Okay guys, I was late to go to the bakery, and so I couldn't get fresh burger bread. I had to pick up this ready-made from the supermarket. So put some mayonnaise, spread it properly, rub it properly, then cut some tomatoes there. So I'm going to be using tomatoes, cucumber, onions, and this fresh salad. So cut your onions very tiny. Don't make it big, so that for those that doesn't like onion, anything that I use. Okay guys, this cucumber I bought it to chew. This is just to snack on when I'm in the house and I'm hungry, but I don't want to buy a new one because I have not eaten it. So that is the reason why I'm using this. And then this fresh salad, just take some, put it on top of all your paprika, your onion. And then guys, at the end you add some mayonnaise on top because this bread is very dry. It's not fresh. If it was fresh, I wouldn't have added mayo. And for the mayo, you can use whatever it is that you have at home. You can use any sauce of any cream, any dressing. So our chicken breast is ready. This burger is ready. Look at the way it's looking, crispy, not burnt, but very, very crispy, guys. So just go ahead and add it on top of your bread, and bana, our burger is ready. Let us go and give the odogu to taste. Yay! Look at that, yo. Okay, odogu, yeah, taste. Yeah. This is the tester. This is my tester at home. He tests everything that I cook. The man said I should bring fork and knife. Okay, guys. The first bite is for you all.
This is,
yes, look at him. He's telling me, oh, this is looking very delicious. It's looking very, very delicious. Okay. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good?